For fabric C2, we will use the unit CR1, CR2, CL1, and CL2 accent template C2. It's this narrow rectangular template. What we're going to do is cut one piece of fabric like this for every piece of the border, and there are 16 pieces. I have stacked the 4 strips of fabric C2 with right sides up, and I'm going to cut 4 of these from the stack. You will take one of these stacks and put them in each of the 4 bags for the border. For fabric C3, you'll need to look at page 12 of your instructions, and at the top you'll see this will be similar to what we did for fabric C1. We have 3 strips, and we're going to use a different template for each strip. We have the unit CL1 background, the unit CR2 background, and unit CR1 and CL2 background. The first one we have is template CR2-3 to cut 4 from this strip. So that was the first strip for fabric C3. For the second strip of fabric C3, we look at our diagram, and we're using template CL1-3, which is this one, CL1-3, and we're cutting 4. And we'll clip these together. Move to the last strip. Now we have our last strip of fabric to cut for this quilt. And we're using unit CR1 and CL2 background template C13. And it's the last picture on our instructions, and we'll need to cut 8 of these. 4 will go in one bag and 4 will go in another bag. You will put 4 in one bag. Let's see which bag. The template, the diagram will tell you which bag. 4 of them in bag CR1 and 4 in bag CL2. So place those in your bags. Then we'll come back and I'll review what is in each bag. In each bag you should have pieces from each of the 3 different fabrics. And you can check the units, the templates, to make sure you have the correct one in the correct bag, but it will tell you once we start piecing. And also you will have 4 foundation units in each bag, and the 4 units will be different. The only difference here is the first bag, bag CR1, will have your pattern graphics. So CR1 has a little bit extra. And this one we can see we have 1, 2, we have the 3 different fabrics, and the 4 foundations are in each bag. So check each bag that they have 3 different fabrics, pieces, and 4 foundation units. 3 fabrics and 4 units. And then we'll just put everything back in the bags. We're going to start piecing the first bag, and you'll see that it will go very fast. There are only 2 seams. There are only 3 sections in each one, and we're only using 4 units foundations in each bag, so it should go pretty fast. But I will demonstrate the first bag, and then all the other 3 bags will be done in the same process.